I'm excited to announce the launch of our Laserpod 3.0. This is by far the coolest machine that I've worked with. In general, the Laserpod has been a game changer when it comes to backglass repairs, and especially with the ability that this one gives you to be able to adjust the amount of time that it takes for the laser to hit the entire back of the phone. And overall, this laser is much stronger than previous versions, which is giving us a better and cleaner burn, making removal of the backglass that much easier. Alright, let's take a look at the inside here. We open the box, we've got our power cord, we've got a pair of glasses, protective glasses, a suction cup, and a few different pieces of glass. Pull out that top section there. Alright, let's plug in the Laserpod and turn it on. Oh, that is cool. And adjust the amount of time. The interior here is also very different. Now it's got a more refined area for the suction, and now things can't slide back behind under the door here. Still has the safety features. You can hear there's a little click. It'll automatically shut it off if the door is open, so you can't potentially hurt yourself with when it's running. Alright, so let's peel off the protector here. Set that inside. Now I've got a back housing here that you can see is fairly cracked, and we've got our mold for it. So let's go ahead and stick that inside there. Line it up inside there. Let's close it up. Turn on the machine. We'll adjust this to let's go with 10 minutes. Now you're going to definitely want to be in a ventilated room, because there are still fumes that I can smell coming from it, like any laser machine. So you can see now it's counting down and giving me the remainder of the time that I have left waiting on it. So now I just sit back and relax and work on something else until those 10 minutes are up, and we'll check back and see how it's doing. We are almost there. Let's see how it reacts when it wants to turn off. You can tell by the end the fumes have died down a little bit, but at the beginning the fumes were quite strong. There we go. Let's take a look and see how well it did. Oh, and would you look at that? Amazing. I can tell that it's burned much better than the first and second gens. They got it real dark. The lighter color is like this lavender color here. You might have struggled on some of them, but this is beautiful. That is ready to go. I like it a lot. See how close we got to the edges along the bottom there. Love it. So there we go. So you'll be able to increase or decrease your speeds depending on what you're doing. So this new generation of Laserpod has exceeded my expectations. I'm super thrilled with its ability to laser as well as it does, making the backglass extremely easy to remove. I'll leave a link for it in the description below. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Mobile Centrics is on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.